To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Open a chat with the person you want to send the photo to. Next, tap the paperclip icon in the message box. Then, tap on the photo you wish to send. You will then see a circular one icon next to the caption box. Tap on it. You can choose how long the media will remain available after being opened. Either set it to disappear after one view, or select a specific duration. After that, tap the send button. And your disappearing photo will be sent to the recipient. Once the recipient receives the photo and opens it, the countdown begins, and the photo will disappear after the set time, unable to be viewed again. It enhances privacy by ensuring your photo can only be viewed once or for a limited time, preventing it from being saved or rewatched. So that's how you can send disappearing photos on Telegram Messenger.